Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you what I ordered from Grove Collaborative. I love ordering my home cleaning products through Grove Collaborative because they deliver right to my doorstep. So I'm going to open the box and show you what I ordered. And they show you the list. This is what I ordered here. So, something that I like to order all the time is this walnut and silicone scrubber sponge. So I ordered that. This is a 2-pack. Now I ordered these back in December. So I have the dish soap of orange clove. So I will put this up. Or I may use it because I love this scent. I have a stash for next year. So I have 2 of those. Here's the pine scent of the multi-surface cleaner. Two of those. I also have the room freshener, the geranium scent. All of these products are Mrs. Meyer's other than the sponge scrubbers. Here is the multi-surface honeysuckle scent. And here is the hand soap of the honeysuckle scent. This smells good as well. So this is what I placed an order for this past month. I am loving the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. And this is what I pretty much order through Grove Collaborative, but I'm gonna start checking out some of the different other cleaning products that Grove Collaborative carries. But just wanted to share with you my favorites here that I order all the time through Grove Collaborative. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.